Good evening, everybody. This is Danny Gant, Senior Forecaster at the National Weather Service office here in Morristown, Tennessee. As you know, at 7 o'clock this evening, 7 o'clock Eastern, we are going to be doing a live Twitter chat, and this is just a quick weather pre-brief for that event. So, we're going to cover some headlines here. We have a few over the next few days, weather over the next few days. So the first one is snowfall, and we have a winter storm warning that is in effect starting late Thursday afternoon through early Friday morning for much of northeast Tennessee, southwest Virginia, and the mountains of East Tennessee. A winter weather advisory across much of the remainder of East Tennessee and southwest North Carolina, with the exception of the Southern Valley and Southern Plateau. So what are we expecting? Well, 3 to 6 inches of snowfall across southwest Virginia, 2 to 5 inches of snowfall in northeast Tennessee, 5+ inches of snowfall in the mountains, 1 to 2 inches in the Central Valley, a 1/2 inch to 1 inch on the plateau, across southeast Tennessee, and southwest North Carolina. So here is a quick graphic to show you what we're thinking as far as snowfall timing. So in this event, we're expecting rain initially, starting tomorrow, overnight tonight actually, and into tomorrow morning. And then we'll start to see a change from rain to a rain-snow mix and then to all snow. So starting at 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, you can see it's pretty much all rain with a little bit of mix working into the plateau. As we move towards noon, we're starting to see a little bit more mix coming off the plateau with all snow further west. Still rain in the valley. By 2 p.m., you're starting to see that mix move into the valley and all snow to the west, back over the plateau, generally west of I-75, and then all rain to the east. By 4 p.m., it's pretty much all snow outside of the I-81 corridor, where we have a narrow band of mix and then some rain to the east. And then as you get to 6 p.m., it's all snow. Since we may be doing some science-related talk on our Twitter chat this evening, I wanted to cover snowfall probabilities. What are they? Well, they're an alternative to traditional snowfall forecasts, which give you what we call a deterministic value or a set value. Something like, this place will receive 6 inches of snowfall. Well, probabilities attempt to account for uncertainty, which is always present when we're forecasting snowfall. It provides an idealized range of snowfall accumulation possibilities across the area for a given time. So what you're seeing here is a percent chance of 1 inch of snowfall or more. Here is percent chance of 2 inches of snowfall or more, and this time frame is from Thursday morning through Friday evening. Here's percent chance of 4 inches of snowfall or more, percent chance of 6 inches of snowfall or more, and finally percent chance of 8 inches of snowfall or more. Another headline that we're going to be seeing over the next couple days are dangerous wind chills behind the passing cold front. And here is probably the lowest that we're going to see during this time frame, and it'll be Friday morning. And you can see single digits in the valley, working up towards the I-81 corridor. We're starting to see close to 0, maybe even below 0. And then as you get in the higher elevations above 2,500, 3,000 feet, it's certainly going to be below 0, maybe as low as -10 to -15 at the highest peaks. Another headline that we're dealing with will be high winds. In these types of scenarios, you get strong southerly winds, and it creates what we call a mountain wave event. Well, we're expecting one of those. And what will that give us? Southerly winds 25 to 40 miles per hour with gusts of 80 miles per hour possible across the East Tennessee mountains. And that will be now through noon Thursday, with the highest winds being on Thursday morning. Another hazard that we're expecting out ahead of the snowfall is moderate to heavy rainfall. You can see across the area a wide swath of 1 to 1.5 inches, possibly as high as 2 inches in the Southern Valley and across portions of southwest Virginia and the higher elevations of East Tennessee. Thank you for attending this quick pre-brief for our Twitter chat this evening.